Hey y'all, hey, it's Joyce from Elite Expressions, and today we are going to be making the thinkers. It has been a big trend on Facebook. I love seeing different ones. I have seen some beautiful ones. I actually, made some in clear and painted them gold, and they were really pretty. I'll probably show those at the end of the video. So let's get started. Today I'm going to be using Let's Resin Interference Gold Mica Powder. This is one of my favorites. So I'm going to paint it into the mold. But instead of using a black background, what I'm going to do is once I've painted it into each mold, I'm going to mix some of this in with the actual resin to kind of keep with the same color scheme, because interference powder it's supposed to give like a metallic-y type color, which is cool, but that's not what I want for this project. So let's get started. All right. I have a paintbrush here. We'll start with this one. This one is a little deeper. And then you just drop it in and start spreading it around, making sure you get all the sides and everything. Now, if I was going to finish this in black resin, it would definitely give off more of a kind of holographic goldish color. But I want to keep this same color because I think this color is absolutely beautiful. So we're going to just keep with this same color scheme, like I said, and add it into the resin, okay? But I want to get it nice and coated. All right. And then this way, if I miss any spots, it will definitely still, this color will still show through, okay? With these, make sure you get deep down into the toe crevices and just dust each surface. And make sure you come up the sides. This part of it is actually really relaxing. I'm about to speed it up for you. Just really make sure you get into all the cracks and crevices. I had to go over it a couple times to make sure I got the inner sides of it, but it ended up working out pretty good. I absolutely love these molds. They're so cute. So yeah. Okay, we've got the interference powder in each one. Took a little longer than I thought, but whatever. So now I'm just gonna flip them over and tap out all the excess. It seemed like a lot got trapped in the little toes, and I don't want like a mica bomb inside of the toe area. This one, even though it looked like it had the least amount in the toes, not too much tapped out. All right. So now on to the resin. See you in a minute. Okay, had a brief intermission. So I did not show me putting the interference powder in, but we'll add a little bit more just for video purposes, you know? Let's see, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I split the resin in half because I wasn't sure if I had poured too much. I honestly don't remember how much it took when I made the other one. So, rather be safe than sorry. Give that a quick stir. And before y'all get started on my nails, it's been a rough week. I had actually done them so that I could make a video, but that didn't work out as planned. Okay. Alrighty. Set that aside. Pull this over. Usually I like to spray molds before I add the resin to cut down on bubbles. However, since I have them painted and that took a nice little amount of time, we're not gonna do that today. Okay. Sorry, I hit Siri by accident. All right, let's get started. Okay, so while I'm pouring, I'm taking my time to make sure I fill it in really good so that I don't have those crisp, sharp edges. So I'm going around just to make sure I fill it to the point where it has like that slight rounded top to it. Here I'm just trying to get them full so that I make sure I have enough for each mold. And then when I get through with that, I'm going to go back and put like a slight roundness to it because I hate that extra lip that happens after you've poured. Ooh, that's not a word. I meant poured. After you poured the resin. After you pouring it. Okay, that's wrong. That's wrong. I'm really sorry for that. This is a kid-friendly station. My bad. So I really like how the color mixed in with the resin. And so I'm just taking my time. Usually I would have sped you up through this. Now look at me pouring with my left hand. Let's hope it goes well. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I really hope these come out cute. The gold ones were really, really nice. And I like doing resin projects that I actually don't mind displaying in my house. You know, I like doing the trinkety stuff, but at the same time, I want something that's useful just in case I don't sell it. So if this is your first time here, I'm hoping you're enjoying yourself and would possibly consider subscribing and looking at some of my older videos. I do a mixture of decorative glassware as well as resin projects and sometimes finding ways to mix the two. So welcome. And also I have a Facebook group that you can feel free to join, and I'll post the link in the description section. So here I'm just finishing up and emptying out the cup of resin, trying to make sure I fill it like I said before. It's really hard to see on camera only because I'm filming from the top, but when I look at it from table length, I can tell that it's getting full and rounding out. I truly cannot wait to see the finished product. Yeah. Usually don't jump on trends, but this is one that I absolutely love. Okay, so there you have it. They're all full. My space is level. And we will wait for them to cure. Okay. All right, see you in a little while. Bye. Okay, y'all, it's time for demolding. So I cheated with this one. I just couldn't wait to see what it looked like. So we'll do these. All right, hopefully they don't have a lot of the sharp edges. It doesn't feel like it. So as everybody knows, loosen up around the edges. Oh, it's got a little overflow right there. And then we pull out this middle. Maybe not. Okay, let's go and take this bad boy out. Ouch. Yep, I just nicked my finger. All's fair in love and resin. Ugh. Oh. All right. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I love it. All right, let's do this one. I think it's a surface wound. It didn't start bleeding, so. Okay. This one is a little harder to demold only because it has the two inner circles. Okay, let's start from the top. Get the rest of them on out of there. For her, I think they're females. Okay. Alrighty. And voila! Oh my goodness. They are so, my phone stand broke. Let me see if I can maneuver it. Okay, I'll just have to hold them up. Oh my God. Look at them. They're so cutesy. Let's get this off of there. Oh, it was easier than I thought. I'll shave that off. So this was made with interference powder. They came out really cute. I'm in love with them. I want to do some more with either like the steampunk or some fresh dried flowers in them and see how those turn out. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Feel free to subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. And then I also have a Facebook group. It is called YouTube Resin and Decorative Glassware. And it's for anybody. I did make it a private group so people feel more secure if they do want to share their crafts, so that people just can't share them willy-nilly all over Facebook. So let me go take some great pictures and we'll end it like that. All right, party people. Bye. Here's a look at the finished product. I really hate that from far away they just really give off like a whitish pearl existence, but there is slight flecks of gold in it. When I hold it closer, you can kind of see it. So they just turned out so nice, and I guess just depending on how you hold the light is how they turn out. I'm so glad you watched. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.